I'm planning to show here how to use Netbeans with GlassFish and start your first web application. So I'm going to download the Netbeans software, which is an IDE for developing Java application, which is here. If you show here, go to the downloads page for Netbeans. So I'm going to the download page. Here I'm seeing Apache NetBeans 11 Feature Update 3, which was released on February 24, 2020. So since I'm using Mac, I'm going to download this Mac OS specific one. So once you click this, download will start. And once you download that Mac software, NetBeans, so if you open that and planning to install it, so it will be installed like that. So once you click this package, so it will ask to install. I'm going to give default for everything. So it started installing. So it's creating all the installations in the Mac. It's about to complete. So once it's installed, let's launch the NetBeans software. So this is a user interface for NetBeans. It has no projects to it. So first we need to download the server, which is a GlassFish. So there is a tab which is called services. Inside that there is a server. If you expand that, so basically there is no servers to that. So right click on that and click add server. So you can use default selection of GlassFish server. So Netflix is very good with GlassFish. So I'm going to here. So it is asking to download the version. So I'm going to select 5.1 and I write download. So it is downloading from the internet. So we'll give a couple of minutes to that. So I have selected the local domain which is going to configure in my own machine. If I want to configure somewhere, like if it's in real development environment, if it's like any development server or UAT servers, I can connect to that server so that like common servers can be connected and you can deploy to that remote servers as well as. So it's got installed and I'm going to click next. So it is going to for asking domain and host and port, or we can use the default ports. So I'm going to rename the domain for me to like some unique name. This is some domain I'm going to create it. So I can use some passwords, or for this demo purpose I'm going to give us a blank, but preferable to use your username and password for securing your server. So upon clicking finish, its system is generating, NetBeans is generating the GlassFish server configurations. We see like creating a personal domain with command. So it's like all the ports has been created, and A lot of configurations has been copying over and creating an instance. You can see the GlassFish, how much NetBeans is utilizing the memory. And if you see here, we can configure a lot. Yeah, I think it created successfully. I can see the results. So this is created successfully. Now we have options to check it out. So if you click view domain admin console, okay, okay. So now we will start later with project. So I'm going to create a new project. So I'm planning to, since it's a web application we are developing, I'm going to select Java with Maven with web application. So I'm going to click next. I'm going to use hello level. So this I created previously, so it's like populated, else you may need to select it out. So I'm going to select the install GlassFish server and I'm going to use Java 8. And new web application project is getting created by NetBeans. So we see the build got success, and here the projects will be coming up. So it's opening the project we created newly. So if we see here files, so our new web application with Maven build is created with index.xml and things. So this is the main window to start the our application, and if you want to start the application in debug mode, you need to start with debug mode. So I'm going to start our application by clicking display button. So it's once again the project will get built, and NetBeans will automatically deploy this project to the GlassFish server, and it will also start the server. So it says deploying on GlassFish. So if you see here, this is a GlassFish blocks. All the services is being started for GlassFish. waiting a couple of seconds. I think it started deployed, and I think the web browser will be opened by default with our new Hello World application. Yeah, now it says our web application got deployed. Now I'm going to change. I'm going to open the index.html. If you see it's a hello world, I'm going to change to hello. So I'm just saving the file, and it says it's deployed automatically. So if I go here and refresh it, it will go to change to hello. Now if you want to do a Maven clean and build, so you can click on this button, clean and build project, and it will deploy your changes to GlassFish Server. I think this is all about how to deploy a new web application with GlassFish Server using NetBeans. Thank you all.